Hey everyone, Lisa with Power Wash Store Central PA, giving you a look here at one of our 8-foot drop-in skids. We're getting this one ready to ship out here. This is for an 8-foot truck bed. It has two 8-gallon per minute cold water units on there. Those are gear drives with Udar pumps. Over on this side we have our soft wash setup. This one has the twin pump setup in there. There's two 6-gallon per minute pumps in there. One is your working pump, the other one's backup pump. And we also use that second pump for a bleach fill as well. And the proportioner here on the front of the box for that soft wash system. And back here we have our 22-gallon fuel tank for both of the cold water machines, our 7-gallon soap tank. And then as far as our tanks go, we chose to go with 4 of our slimline tanks. These are the 100-gallon tanks. So we have 3 of these that are going to be for water, and then 1 is going to be for your sodium hypochlorite. And then over on this side is our hose reels. We've got 2 pressure washing hose reels, and then your soft wash hose up on the left-hand side, and over on the right-hand side is your garden hose feed. This one has a cup filter here just for filtering your water before it goes into your tank. Again, this is one of our 8-foot drop-in skids, Power Wash Store Central PA. These are custom built to suit your needs and your truck. So if you're looking for something like this, give us a call. We can certainly get you a quote and hopefully get you on our build list. 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.